Hey traders, Jim here. Let's talk about this week's trades and go over the trades that we made. And first and foremost, let's get this out of the way. This is not financial advice. We're giving you these trades for educational purposes only, and I'm just showing you what I did this week. That's it, all right? You'll have to check with your own professional advisor if you want any advice on trading. So let's go through my trades for this week. We made 4 trades. You're going to see 3 here that are still open and 1 that I closed. And we'll talk about that in a minute. So the first trade on the week was SMCI. I did a $19 strike price, and I did go out to November on this. I don't normally take cash secured puts out to November without a reason. This one we made $239.45 for. The stock had dropped to around 23, 24, and now already it's above 30 again. So right in that area, right, $30.10. So really pleased with this trade. If you look at this, it's a little over 37%, 37.5%. Great trade. Next trade is Uber. Uber, I did a $68 strike price on. This is more short term, August 14th. Made $185.35. Now Uber right now is just under 66. If it stays here, we'll either roll this or I'll take assignment and write a covered call. And the covered call premiums are rich. I'll probably write the covered call at 70. If I do get assigned this, I would probably look at the 70 covered call and take a couple bucks on the stock. It's a great stock. 39.8% on this as far as the return annualized. Another great trade. And the last one is NU. All right. Now, if you look at the account, the first one I did in the live trading account, the one we've been trading all along, the $79,000 account. The next one's in my new rollover IRA account. Okay. I traded in that one as well for the Uber. And then the Roth IRA, this is just a small account in the Roth that I have. I'll be adding to this as time goes on. $14 strike, $67.35. Annualized this trade is 76.3%. If you go up to the balance on the entire account, 149,391. That's all the accounts together. All right. And you're going to see the number here is a little skewed. I've talked about this before. You're going to go, well, that doesn't make sense if it's so close to the deployed, but it does make sense because this is weighted. We added half this money to this account over halfway through the year, so it's going to weight that money and not take it back to the first of the year. It's the way your broker does it. On return on deployed, we just decided not to mess with the math. Just leave this, everything goes back to the beginning of the year. So this is, a very simple number. But your return on account, we did weight this the correct way, all right? Now let's look at the close and look at the trade that I did close, Netflix, and I placed on July 20th, a $65 strike, cash secured put. Initially, I made $113 on this. And that may be hard for you to see, but we made $113 on the trade. And I think the return on that, if I would have let this stay, was probably around 35%. All right. We bought it back in 4 days, and which just took our return through the roof. So that cost me $26 to buy it back and 55 cents and 55 cents for the commissions. So the net on this actually wound up being $85.90. It's 120% return on the capital utilized for that. And just again, another great trade. And that one's closed out. So that I did not open another trade to replace this yet. I'm going to wait for next week and maybe open another trade next week. We'll see what the market looks like. So let's take a look at our income breakdown for 2026. And you'll see that this quarter has been our highest month yet. Quarter 1, we had $3,210 in returns. Quarter 2, $4,508 in, let me rephrase that, in premiums, all right, that we took in. And the first month of Q3, already $2,643. Now with the increase over doubling the size of the account, or approximately doubling it, we're looking to take out about $3,500 to $4,000 a month now. All right, so it's a really nice amount on monthly premiums that we can receive, and we'll probably be adding another 100,000 to this within the end of the year into my IRA, and maybe a little more into the Roth IRA as well. We'll see. And that's it. Just great numbers. Really happy with where things are going. The ultimate goal here is to get these numbers up to about 10,000 a month. So stay with us while I build that. Okay, you're going to see me build right through that number, and that's the ultimate goal for us. All right, that's it. Go ahead and hit like and subscribe. If you like this video and what we're doing, subscribe to our channel. Come on over to OptyTrades. It's free. Sign up. You get to use this trading journal, absolutely free. You get to use our screener and picks that will help you to pick stocks, absolutely free. You get to go into Opty's picks and look at hand-picked AI possible trades. And then you get to look at AI Trader. Now this is in beta mode, but you get to see how I do personally against Opti. You'll see monthly, weekly. These are both AI trading systems. And then you get to see my trades. All right. So you can look at my trade journal. You can look at all of the trades that I placed. And that's it. Hopefully we'll see you in the trading room. Come on over, sign up, come over to the community, see us in the community. We have a great time over there. Have a great day.